Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely looking Focus, very nice price range, beautiful colour as you can see. Alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear park distance control. It's a very high and good spec car. Absolutely gleaming in the sun, look at that. It's all in lovely condition. The rear parcel shelf. Interior's in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. It's done 178 miles. Just start the car up. It's a multifunction steering wheel. Digital display, air conditioning, USB, 6-speed gearbox. Sounds absolutely lovely. It's got Bluetooth, satellite navigation. DJH have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.